Today, I have decided to bring you with me in visiting this property. It's a country house on the Tuscan hills, part of a small rural hamlet, but very charming, composed by 5 private properties on top of the hill with cypresses and great views. Very quiet place. So I got the keys from the owner, so let's go. Okay, here we are at the house. I'm currently in the garden, which is very decent size, and there is another part behind the house, which is the pool area actually. As I said, we are in a very small rural hamlet composed by 5 houses, most of them private vacation home. This one as well. So I know that the house has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It's built onto 3 stories, and it will probably be listed for something just below 500,000, so 490, something like that. So let's go inside. The house has been totally renovated in early 2000 by the current owner, and it's a very old country home. It's probably dated 18th century or early 19th century. It has very historic details inside, like stones and beams and so on. This is the pool area. The pool is private, only belongs to the property, to the house, and it's completely fenced. It's 10 by 5 meters, and it has a good size solarium. It is a very quiet place. You can hear the birds. Very old cypresses, typical trees of this part of Tuscany in general. The good thing is that the area is very quiet, but you have an asphalted road to the house, and you can come up from that valley or from the other valley, and both at the end, down in the valley, at the end of the road, you have amenities, local services, and the town of Cortona, historical town of Cortona, is reachable in 25 minutes, half an hour. Città di Castello as well, so you have major services there, like supermarkets, bigger supermarkets, shopping centers, hospitals, restaurants, everything. And amenities within 6-7 minutes, up to 10 minutes drive. Okay, let's go inside. These are the very historical details I was telling you. This was the original sink. Also these stones on the doors, this one as well, very old. We have 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom and the living area on this floor. On the upper floor it's the master bedroom with its ensuite bathroom, and on the underground floor we have kitchen and dining. All the floors are terracotta tiles, very original ones, and wooden beam ceilings. This is the biggest bathroom with the biggest shower I've ever seen. It's huge. Before we go down, I show you the master bedroom upstairs. Hi. Okay, now let's go down into the kitchen. Here is the kitchen. Which is a modern kitchen with equipped with everything, so fridge, freezer, oven, another one here, sink, and it's right on this terrace overlooking the pool area, which is perfect for the summer. This is also facing west, so you have sunset on the hills over there. Over here it's a TV room, which is facing into the other courtyard. And then I'm going to show you two rooms outside which are very useful. So we have these two storages. This one is also a technical room with boiler and the water system. Water comes from its own private well, and here it's the original barbecue and bread oven, still functioning. This is the other room, which is a storage with all the tools that you need for maintenance. And here it's a toilet, which is very useful when you come from the outside after having done gardening. And the good thing is that from here you can also go again into the TV room and the kitchen. I show you also the other part of the garden. With major olive trees. That's the gas tank for heating and kitchen, and it's filled in by a local company. And this is the private well. So actually I have parked my car on the road up there, but actually you can come in with your car from the gate and you can park straight in the private garden and walk up to the house. From there or from the main one. There. Otherwise you have this other private parking area, which is just on the road. So we are finished. I hope you enjoyed the house and my showing as well. So see you on my next property tour. Bye.